Think back to your first memory. Go ahead, try it. Most people land around age 3 or 4, a birthday, a fall off a bike. Before that, there's nothing. Not fog, not blackness, just absence, as if you didn't exist yet. But you did exist. You were laughing, crying, learning language, recognizing your mother's face across a room. So where did all of it go? The answer is stranger than simple forgetting. Your brain didn't lose those memories. It never filed them away in the first place. Scientists call this childhood amnesia. Sigmund Freud named it over a century ago, though his explanation that children repress early memories turned out to be wrong. The real cause is biological. It comes down to the hippocampus, your brain's filing clerk. Every experience passes through it first, gets sorted, then slowly moved into long-term storage. In infancy, that clerk hasn't been hired yet. The hippocampus is still growing new neurons rapidly, a process called neurogenesis. New cells flood in faster than connections can stabilize. Nothing survives the reorganization. A 2-year-old isn't bad at remembering. A 2-year-old is neurologically incapable of building memories that last. Here's where it gets stranger. Children can remember things, just not for long. Psychologist Carol Peterson tracked young children's memories over years. 2- and 3-year-olds described events in vivid detail months later. Years after that, the memory was simply gone, as if it had never been recorded. Why would evolution build a brain this way? Why let years of experience simply evaporate? Because permanence isn't the priority in early childhood. Flexibility is. A developing brain needs to absorb staggering amounts of new information, language, faces, gravity, danger, all at once. Researcher Patricia Bauer has shown that the same plasticity, letting toddlers learn at a blistering pace, is what makes long-term storage unstable. The brain optimizes for learning, not archiving. You can't fully do both at once. Think about what that means. The blank space at the start of your life isn't a flaw. It's the price of having a brain that could learn anything at all. There's a second ingredient: language. Memories need structure, a sequence, a story. Before children have words for before and after, experience exists as scattered fragments, not connected scenes. Your first memory tends to arrive right when your language exploded, because that's when you finally had the tools to turn experience into story. Which means memory was never a perfect recording. It's a reconstruction, built from fragments, photos, and retold stories. Some of what feels like memory might just be a story told so often it became indistinguishable from one. That's true for you right now, not just in childhood. So that blank space before age 3 isn't empty because nothing happened. It's empty because nothing happened in a form your brain could keep yet. You were learning to walk, speak, love, fear, all without a single permanent record of doing it. So next time someone asks for your earliest memory, remember this. That blank space isn't a hole. It's the fingerprint of a brain too busy becoming you to stop and write it down.